All right, here's the thing. 360 cameras don't have to be used as 360 cameras. Because the Insta360 X4 films 8K video, you can actually use it as a companion camera to film really cool third-person shots of yourself on all your adventures. Also, it's the best 360 camera I've ever used. I just dropped the X4. Oh no. Okay, I gotta go check to see if the lens is broken. Oh, I mean, it's got that protective case, so that's kind of cool. But I don't know. I didn't put the lens guard on it, so let's see. Oh, we good. We good, boys.
You're lucky. It's safe.
Very lucky. I don't want to do that again. I should probably put the lens guard. All right, here's what you need to know about the Insta360 X4 action camera. First of all, it has a rugged design with a big touchscreen and similar button layout as the X3. Of course, it films 8K video up to 30 frames per second, but you can also film 5.7K video up to 60 frames per second, as well as 4K video up to 100 frames per second. You can technically film 120 frames per second in 5.7K when using bullet time mode, but only if you're into that kind of thing. As far as photos, it can capture 72 megapixel photos, which actually look great because it uses AI to reduce noise and improves color. The X4 also has a new field of view mode called Mega View, which gives you the widest perspective with minimum distortion and delivers better image quality overall. And because the X4 shoots so wide, you can change the aspect ratio to film in traditional 16:9 or vertical 9:16, or even 1:1, 4:3, 3:4, or 2.351 for you cinema nerds out there. One of my favorite features of the X4 is that it doubles as an action camera. And this is what I meant when I said you don't have to use the X4 as a 360 camera. You just set the camera to single lens mode, where you have several options such as standard video, me mode, or free frame video. I personally like using me mode because you don't have to reframe your shot in post. Oh, and the X4 has an improved battery life. It's got a whopping 2,290 milliamp battery, and this thing lasted all day in the hot desert while filming 8K video. Not continuous, obviously, but you know what I mean. And of course, you have the features that Insta360 is known for, such as the invisible selfie stick, flow state stabilization, plus 360 horizon lock for super smooth video, and now smart features like quick edit, AI edit, and AI gesture control to stop and record the camera by simply using your hand. Now, all that sounds great, but since I love using the Insta360 X4 as a companion vlogging camera, for the rest of the video, I just want to show you what the actual footage looks and sounds like. All right, so we got the new Insta360 X4 camera. We're at Valley of Fire? Valley of the Fire? I don't know what it's called. Valley of Fire. Valley of Fire. And of course I had to bring a 360 camera. I don't know how to get down here safely.
Just run and hope for the best.
Okay, all right, good advice, Lee. Of course, we got the invisible selfie stick. So it kind of looks like someone's filming me walk, but no, that's the camera removing the stick so that it looks like it's floating. 8K video though. 8K video, that's pretty cool. All right, we gotta find the rest of the boys. Where are they? All right, so I've attached the X4 on this extended stick. It goes really, really high. The audio that you're hearing is from the X4, so hopefully the audio sounds pretty good, but let's go ahead and send the X4 up. And the reason why I want to do this is because you can't fly drones here. You know, it's a park, you'll get in trouble, you're gonna pay a fine. And so we're gonna try faking a drone by sending the X4 up as high as I can. All right, here we go. Ooh. Oh my gosh, look at this. That's crazy. Oh, it goes even more. All right, it's gonna walk around, pretend like it's a drone. Okay, here we go. It's a little windy, so I have to hold the stick with both hands. This place is kind of unreal. All right, so now that this 360 camera can film in 8K, can you use it to vlog with? Well, Here's what the audio sounds like on the X4. It's about 2.5 feet away from me. I don't think the audio is going to sound good, but we shall see in post. Oh, I lost the voice. I got to go back. Now, there are a few ways of filming with a 360 camera to get different perspectives. One is holding it right in front. Thanks to the invisible selfie stick thingy, you don't see that I'm holding a camera, but it looks weird that my hand is, just holding nothing. I can do another angle. I'm holding the camera up. Get a nice top-down view. And usually I film about 10 seconds worth of B-roll footage, just so it's enough for me to edit. But just for the sake of demonstration, move the camera to the side, get a nice profile shot. Yeah, and try to hold the camera steady as possible, even though there is stabilization in the camera, pretty darn good stabilization for that matter. But just walk, get a nice profile shot, and don't hit things, or just rest it over your shoulder like this. Okay, we got this crazy hole over here where I have to put the Insta360 X4. All right, who's on the other end? Oh, it's Chris! Heyo! Look, we're pretty close to the camera, and it's not too warpy, I want you to be on this side of the seat. Looks pretty good. Yeah, not too shabby. Don't get tight when you have no hands. Oh man. All right, so hopefully you can see how tight this little passageway is. It's you don't want to bring a heavy backpack. All right, squeeze in through. This is actually like the perfect place to test out the X4. Oh, this is so cool. And we found the staircase and it's sunset, so we're gonna try to see what it looks like up there. Ooh, look at the light. It looks so pretty. Check this out. You got petroglyphs on the rocks. That's kind of cool. It's in the wall. Too bad it's like fenced in. You can't see what's in there, but I do have a camera that can. Okay, there's no way to put my camera through there because of the fence, but I can do this. And that's as far as I can go.
But that's still better than nothing because we can't even get over there.
That's right. All right, so we made it to the top of this little rock over here. It's kind of cool. Nice little view of this place. I'm gonna place the Insta360 X4 just below this cliff over here to hopefully get a cool shot. But yeah, one of the advantages of using the selfie stick and a 360 camera. So let's go ahead and press record. All right, here we go. Hopefully don't die. We don't want that. There we go. Okay. Oh gosh. Yeah, definitely don't want to do that with my main camera, but with a 360 camera for sure. I mean, look at that, just for perspective. Like, that's a nasty fall. Yeah, definitely don't want to do that. All right, I'm gonna end this video because it's getting way too hot, but if you want to check out the Insta360 X4, links will be down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye.